What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 vlog. Okay? Alright, your boy Dominoes 7 talking about Lizzie and Roman. Lizzie Velasquez, Roman Arispe. Okay? You know something? Throughout the years, when Roman was in Lizzie videos, y'all thought that Lizzie and Roman were dating. To keep it real with every last one of y'all, I thought the same thing, you know. So everybody thought Lizzie and Roman were dating, including me. Okay. So speaking of Lizzie and Roman, I'm watching their video. Okay, there go Lizzie, there go Roman. Okay, I want to apologize to y'all. What's going on? My TV screen is looking a little bad. I think I need to get that changed. So that's what I'm looking at, y'all. Lizzie and Roman. Okay. All right. So let me fix my camera light. Okay, there we go. So as I was saying, folks, I want to let y'all know something. I really thought Lizzie and Roman were dating, you know. Everybody thought that, including you folks, okay? But you know something? There's something I want to say, okay? I really want to say that I think Lizzie Velasquez is very attractive, you know, very, very attractive, okay? When I first saw Lizzie, I'm like, oh man, she's very attractive, you know? Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with me, okay? Lizzie is kind of sweet, you understand? Okay, I really enjoy watching her videos. Ever since I found on YouTube, I started watching her non-stop. Okay, so I've done a video talking about Lizzie Laquita, whatever her channel was, but she changed it to her other name, Lizzie Velasquez. You know, changed her YouTube channel name. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this video is going to be on 2 of my channels, okay, or 3 of my channels, I don't know, but all I know for now that I'm going to have this video uploaded on 2 channels, okay. I don't know which channel y'all going to comment on, okay. So I really enjoy Lizzie, you know. Ever since I found Lizzie, I was like, wow. I started watching her videos and stuff like that. So actually, y'all see Liz and Roman on that TV there, okay? It's not a smart TV. I'm watching YouTube from my PS3, okay? So that's why Lizzie is on my TV with Roman, okay? Because I'm watching YouTube on my TV from my PS3, okay? So I can also watch YouTube from my Wii U, okay? So to let y'all know, I got ways, you know. If it weren't for my friend Randy, I would have never known about that, because he watched YouTube from his Xbox 360 when he had an Xbox 360. Now we have an Xbox One, and he also have a PS4, okay? All right. So, I mean, I'm like, oh my God, Lizzie and Roman are dating. Oh, please don't let them be dating. Please let them just be friends. And you know, until I watch that video for the record, no, on the record, okay. Soon as I watch that, I was like, whew, you know. To keep it real with you, I had a little crush on her, you know. I don't know why I waited all this time to say that though. Okay, well, I'll save that for another video. Okay, so as far as that, y'all, I really like Lizzie. You know, I can't believe I waited all this time after my mom passed away for me to tell y'all viewers that I like Lizzie. Okay. Ever since I saw a video, I'm like, golly, she's very attractive, okay? And by me being jealous of Roman for always being the videos with Lizzie, yeah, I was jealous, but but I'll save that for another video, okay? Every last one of y'all thought that Lizzie and Roman were dating, including me, myself, and I, you know, especially myself, you know. I thought that, I'm like, they look like they're in love, you know. That was exactly what I thought, okay. And Roman, he's a great guy, okay. Big thumbs up to him, okay. Yeah, so to keep it real with you, I like Roman. I like Roman, you know. But the crazy thing is, I miss Roman being in videos with Lizzie, you know. Yeah. I always watch her and Roman together, you know. You know, to my knowledge, Roman and Lizzie are the best duo of YouTube, okay? I also checked out on Daily Motion. I have videos on Daily Motion too, okay? So, golly, you know something? There's something I want to tell y'all, okay? If let me cut this light on so y'all can see my face, okay? Let me put my glasses back on so y'all can see what I really look like, just in case some of y'all come to New Orleans to see what I look like, you know. Okay, so anyway, I want to let y'all know that that MeccaCon is coming to New Orleans at the Hyatt Hotel. It's gonna be from July 27th to July the 29th. Okay, so I have a calendar right here just to do a little notice thing. I have a full month calendar here and a changing calendar up there. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Okay. This my changing calendar, and this my other calendar right here. Okay. That I go from my old calendar. Okay. From the old calendar right here. Okay. So I cut this, and then put it on the wall, and then I have this other calendar that I bought from Walmart. Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay. As I was saying, Lizzie Velasquez is a sweetheart. Okay. Very much a sweetheart. Let me play her video as I'm watching this video and stuff like that. And you know, and Roman, he's a great guy. It breaks my heart that he's not in Lizzie videos at this point. But you know what? I'm gonna hope and pray. I'm gonna pray tonight. I'm gonna pray tomorrow night. I'm gonna pray when I finish this video that Lizzie and Roman do another video together. I hope he go to Texas, Austin, Texas. That's where Lizzie lives, I guess. You know, but I won't put out too much information. You know. Okay. So I want to ask y'all something. If y'all so happen to see Lizzie, make sure y'all tell Lizzie to watch this video, okay? Because, you know what? I want the contact on Facebook or Instagram or something like that. But the bad news is I don't know how to work this YouTube thing to do inbox. I don't know if YouTube still do that inbox thing, you know. I was trying to do some a little inbox thing, but on the serious side I couldn't do it, you know. But alright then. So that's all I'm gonna say. I really hope Lizzie and Roman do a video together, cause you know, in my opinion, they would make a cute couple. I guarantee y'all that. Okay. So that's it for now. Okay. If I have something else to say about Lizzie or Roman, I'll be back. Okay. All right. Bye.